No, still gross up here. Oh no, it's not. We're good. Well, the battery's almost dead. Look at this. So I came here a few days ago to try to ride in the snow, and I got about to like where the tire marks start, and it did not go very well. So look at the lake, guys. It's the parts that I have no snow on them anymore. There are little bits of ducks around the edges, and geese and things that are kind of traveling back north after the long winter. Yeah. It's going to be a really, really nice summer this year. There's a lot of projects going on around the house. I have a lot of travel going. You're kind of getting a sneak peek at my Trans-Labrador setup. Yeah, maybe I can do a quick, like, 1 or 2 minute update. So, I'm back on the stock GS seat. I sent my Sargent seat back to Sargent. They're replacing it under warranty. They gave me a discount on adding heat. I asked them, hey, can you add heat to my seat? And they said, yeah, sure, we'll give you a discount on the heat upgrade. So they're adding heat to a new GS seat. As you guys remember, the last seat was moving around a lot. And then, of course, I'm just taking this off and leaving it off. This is the Altrider luggage plate. There's an install video out already or coming out. You can see underneath here that it bolts like that. The problem I'm having with it currently is that the Jessie boxes, when they open, they scrape this metal thing here on both sides. If I put the Jessie boxes all the way forward, then they scrape on this metal piece here. So I have limited space, and I can't open the boxes with the Altrider luggage rack attached. And for my trip to TransLab, I actually wanted to use the boxes versus the soft luggage, so working that out with Altrider. It's not like a failure. It's just something I'm going to talk to them about. Eventually, I want to retain the grab handles and put the Altrider luggage plate here with the Atacama bag across it, which is the Moscow 40-liter duffel, and then back here would just be the 2-gallon, the 1-gallon, and the Jessie racks on the sides. That's the trip setup. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been not breathing enough. Bike's doing good. Everything's going good with that. It's 42 degrees today. Beautiful. Maybe I'll hop in the snow a little bit. Maybe I'll come there and just come straight through. And we'll see how it goes. Let's do that. Let's take the helmet off, and then we'll do a quick video clip of me falling on the snow. That should be entertaining, right? It's nice. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Seriously, don't do this at home, or don't try this at home. This will be our spot for the helmet cam. It's even dumber to do this without a helmet on. But we're in New Hampshire. Helmets aren't required.